Introducing Sqribble. This is a Sqribble review. What is Sqribble? Sqribble is a one-stop solution for ebooks and reports. Any user can create beautiful ebooks with just a few clicks. An ebook can be created in minutes with Sqribble, which seems out of this world, but the entire automation process behind it allows you and anyone else to create beautiful ebooks in minutes. Who is it for? Fairly priced and packed with features, Sqribble is perfect for individuals who want to publish their own ebooks without large budgets, but it also has the potential of being used by businesses or marketing agencies. Those who want to publish their own ebooks can also use it to make money by taking ebooks creating jobs. The best part about Sqribble is that it doesn't require too much promotion, as its features make it unique and reliable for ebook creation even when seeing a business opportunity. These are examples of what Sqribble can do for you. It can create ebooks, reports, white papers, guide, info, products, and manuals. Sqribble benefits. Perfect for all types of content. Sqribble is easy to use. It allows anyone to start their own publishing agency or simply earn with referrals. Works on any computer. There is no step-by-step installation required with Sqribble. It's all done online. This makes it easy and unique and accessible regardless of tech knowledge. With simple online login, all ebooks and Sqribble templates are available at any time. Design, format, write, sell. With plenty of great designs to choose from, the templates Sqribble offers are unique. They make any book stand out in the world of plain designs. Users also have the ability to customize these designs and work with the content they have or with the Sqribble automatic content to create appealing pages. Writing is optional with Sqribble. Due to the auto fill-in functionality, users can create their own ebooks in a matter of minutes. Most importantly, these ebooks can be sold for profit. Users can also create an ebook business with Sqribble is the platform between them and real-world clients. Modern templates. It's no surprise that ebooks which looks good are the ones which sells. Up to 150 professional templates can be unlocked in Sqribble. They offer an aesthetic appeal most good information needs. Themes and customization. Apart from not having to deal with complicated installation, Sqribble is easy to use. There is a modern dashboard where users control everything from the way the ebook looks to the impressive Sqribble library. Sqribble features. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on specialized software, ebooks can be created in a single place with Sqribble. From the text layout to covers, everything needed to publish ebooks of any lengths. Its features include pre-written text and articles. There's a large database of pre-written articles to use inside Sqribble. If you want to add more value to your ebook, this can be simply done by searching for specific keywords, cover multiple profitable niches. The built-in search engine allows users to access and easily insert these articles into an ebook of their choice. Themes and customization. Gone are the days of boring layouts and books which look as if they come straight out of a museum. Sqribble is modern, minimalistic, elegant, and full of great themes. Users can pick colors, themes, change headers and footers, or even change the way their text block look. It would normally take multiple software programs to achieve this. and most importantly, it would cost thousands of dollars. The drag and drop design of Sqribble makes ebook creating accessible to all users. Free commercial license. Creating multiple ebooks can be a lucrative business in itself, but too many users feel held back by the high cost of dealing with commercial licenses and added marketing costs. Sqribble eliminates these borders. It offers a great commercial license for all ebooks and even a modern website to market the business on. This means that Sqribble can be used to create an ebook publishing agency. Unique features. It doesn't end here for Sqribble. Its money-making design is perfect for content marketers, bloggers, consultants, entrepreneurs, coaches, etc. All of them can make the most of the added functionality of Sqribble that comes with ebook creation features. Dashboard control, 50 unique templates, drag and drop design, automatic content search engine, 300 plus Google fonts, unlimited pages, personal media support. It also includes agency features, client management dashboard, free commercial license, free agency website, one-click feedback engine, eye-catching banners, and high-quality promo videos. Pros and cons. Those willing to join the extraterrestrial Sqribble revolution needs to know what to expect. Honestly, the advantages of using Sqribble are numerous. Here are some most important pros and cons to consider. Pros: saves time with ebook creation in minutes. Offers an all-in-one tool with no installation required. Based on a drag and drop design functionality. Customizes every ebook with a modern design. Stocked with a large library of interesting articles. Allows URL data import for quick ebook creating. Customized headers and footers on each page. Includes images, backgrounds, and icons. Offers professional cover to give each ebook its own identity. Assigns a free commercial license worth $497. Excludes annual fees or royalties to pay. Promotes business creation with free agency website. Cons: 3D covers sold separately. Here are some of the testimonials. Sqribble templates driven process really makes it a snap for designers and non-designers alike to produce pro-quality marketing materials, ebooks, and lead magnets. This is a winner. Sqribble saves me time and money in creating ebooks and reports from scratch. As a marketer and blogger, I use it to build my lists and get buyers fast. It's amazing. Sqribble is also absolutely great. I'm now able to create ebooks in minutes. If I get stuck on a content, it helps finish the ebook for me. Definitely a product I'm going to keep using. What I actually love about Sqribble is that all you need to do is copy a URL and it automatically makes you an ebook. It's genius, one of the best software program released. Let us recap the summary about Sqribble. Again, Sqribble is used to instantly create amazing ebook SAM reports in just minutes, sometimes 7 without writing a single word. Its main strengths include ebooks and on-demand reports with no wasted time, 50 stunning templates in 15 categories: automated content with URL and content library base, no installation needed, free commercial license, agency website, easy to use design. Just remember, this is a one-time fee. You have no monthly charge with Sqribble. Get your copy today. Click on the link below and enjoy this product. You're going to love it. So, what do you think about Sqribble? Our verdict. In today's technology, brand new, Sqribble is a unique ebook creation tool. It simplifies the creative process and it makes it possible even without specialist knowledge. At the moment, it's available at a discount rate of $67, but if you click on the link, there is a discount coupon that's way cheaper and it's less than $67. This discounted price is tied to its launch period and it is bound to increase in the future. So get your copy today. If you want to save money with the purchase, you need to get access to Sqribble. We recommend it. Sqribble is for you.